In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your iPhone calculator to scientific calculator. Okay, so it's actually very simple. Just open the iPhone calculator app and then swipe down here. Then just turn off this portrait mode option. That's it. Now rotate your calculator. That's it. Now it's changed from standard calculator to scientific calculator. You can see the parameters here: sine, cos, trigonometry. Actually, on standard calculator you can do the arithmetic calculations. On scientific calculator you can do the trigonometry, logarithmic and exponential calculation. And if you want to clear the last number, you just swipe left or right like this. That's it. If you want to clear all numbers, just click clear or AC. That's it. This is the way. This is how you can rotate your iPhone calculator for scientific calculations. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.